What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Motorsport. Johnny here, broadcasting from beautiful Chicago. And when I say beautiful Chicago, it's beautiful, but today is not the day because weather sucks, it's raining, but as I promised in the previous videos, when I presented my BMW M8, that we are going hard on this one with tuning. So today is the day, and we are going to my boy Mike TOMA M7 to his shop to start working on this car. But before we go there, I have to clean it because it's very dirty. Outside it's raining, but I will still clean it. So let's go get it done. So I started to wash the car, but the mother nature decided to help us a little bit, and it started to rain heavily. But we're not stopping. Show must go on. We'll just wait a little bit until the rain stops, and then we'll continue to finish the car. And then we'll go to my boy Mike to do the rest of the job. While we are waiting here for the Mother Nature to stop the rain, I'll give you guys a quick update on the E36, what's going on after the crash. So after the crash, I brought it here. I started to work on it by myself, and I straightened the left side, I pulled it out, I drilled the rear tail panel out, and I bought a new one, and I started to put it back, but eventually it's not going very well because the body is misaligned. It's very hard to put it in place. And also I did drill some parts from here, the wheelhouse extension, which I cannot find it right now because it's discontinued by BMW. So I'm having a hard time finding that part right now, but I did find it. Stay tuned for the new video about specific E36 and you'll get more information. Rain finally stopped. I'm gonna get back to finish washing this beast and we'll get back to be on the road. So that's it, all cleaned up. The carbon fiber is shining, and what can happen the best is to start rain again after we wash the car. But it's okay. Now it's time to go and get the freaking sauce out of this car. Let's go! Okay, so we are already on the way to Mike. We have about 10-15 minutes to drive. He's waiting already for us. We had an appointment for 9:30, 9 a.m. actually, but because of the rain, we're stuck a little bit at my shop, but it's okay. He's waiting for us. Right away we get there, he started working on the car, and I'll let you know what we're doing with it. So we are here at Mike. Let's go salute him and see how we're doing the stuff. Stop. So we got the car, it's already on the lift. We have the downpipes. You already probably know what we're planning to do, but let's ask Mike, the owner of this shop, what we are doing to this car. Mike, please tell us what are we doing to this car today.
Okay, for this car, it's beautiful car, M8 2020. We have here the downpipe, mid pipe. I will install today the downpipe and the air filter, the cold air filter.
Cold air intake.
Yeah, and the stage 2.
Stage 2 tune.
It's E40 or is the 93, but I think it's the E40.
Yeah, we'll try to make 2 maps on it. One map for 93 pump gas and the second one for the E40 mix to see which one is gonna bring us the best numbers. He's the one who is making those tunes. So if you guys planning to tune your car, the BMW, Mercedes, Audi, whatever Euro cars you have and you want to tune it, this guy is the guy that you need to call. I'll leave all the information in the description. Now also, I made a deal with Mike. Whoever comes to him for a tuning and tells my promo code JohnnyDDM, you guys are gonna get 10% off from the job. So don't hesitate, call him, bring your car. He's gonna take care of you 100%. So let's get back to Mike and ask him a few more questions. What is your business on a daily basis? What are you doing here?
Okay, I have the other car. It's the same 2020 BMW M8 Grand Coupe. For this car, it's just maintenance, and I wash the front radiator for everything. It's the same stage 2 downpipe, cold air filter, mid pipe, and the stage 2 E40.
Yeah, the car is getting a washout in the radiators just for safe performance. This car is his car, which is also what?
Yeah, this one is mine. It's the same stage 2 E40 downpipe, mid pipe. Today I will try. I think it's the first time this one. I will try install the water methanol, and I think it will be fast.
Yeah, outside is getting hotter. Summer is almost here, and this thing needs to run on cold. So he got an water methanol kit. It's gonna go inside this car to keep the temperature low in the engine so he can show good numbers. If it's gonna work properly, that one is gonna get it. So what other jobs are you doing here in your shop?
Okay, for this, I think it's 2019 M5. I do the swap engine.
Yeah, this one, it's a known car. I'm not gonna say the name. Came far away all the way from New Jersey. And this car is getting a new engine, which is forced internals engine, and is gonna be turned up to about 1,200 horsepower. So stay tuned. We're gonna make a different video with Mike about this car. We're about to get started to work on the car, and also don't hesitate, guys, to come here for just regular maintenance. Oil change, brakes, tires, any kind of mechanical jobs. Mike can do it. please contact him, come, he's gonna take care of you, the best in Chicagoland. So let's go work on my beautiful BMW M8. The first catalytic converter is out. Look at this thing, man. How much restriction it gives to the car. And we have here the heat shield, downpipe, straight pipe thing that is not gonna have any restrictions, zero. And we have one more to go. We'll install these beautiful downpipes. This thing straight piped is gonna sound nuts. I cannot wait to hear it, and I bet you guys cannot wait to hear it too. So another couple hours will be done, and let's fire it up. Job almost done. The downpipes are in already. What's left is to tighten everything up, put the exhaust back, all the plastic things, and also the cold air intake, which is gonna be a really nice cold air intake. Just wait a second, you'll see it. Meanwhile, in the shop came in another M5 for just maintenance. Like I said, you guys hit Mike up for any kind of maintenance. This beautiful M5 came for an oil change with good oil, the red line oil. So yeah, let's just wait for the job to be done and fire it up. Man, I really can't wait to hear this thing. It should be very, very loud. Well, and while the job is getting done, I'm gonna enjoy the Xbox, playing some Forza. Because what else to do? We'll play cars until the real cars are getting done. By the way, guys, there's always some goodies here in stock, like a carbon Alcantara carbon wheel, carbon intake inlets, carbon exhaust tips, mixed fuel sensor, any kind of stuff. You might find them here always as downpipes. So if you're looking for something and you don't want to wait, just call Mike. He might have them in stock. I'll get back to playing.
I feel it now, all emotions, all that we've been. Yeah, we broke down, hit the bottom. We went so deep. You dragged me to the ground. You're the anchor.
the last touch-ups with the finishing. Everything is back together with the stock look. The last thing that's left to be done is this beautiful carbon fiber cold air intake made by Eventury. And after that we're going for a first startup, cold start, and then the finish line with a test drive. So let's finish up with this thing and we're going for a test drive. And that's it, guys. We are done with all the job that was supposed to be done. This carbon fiber Eventury cold air intake took its place in the engine bay. Looks very, very beautiful and very expensive. Everything is cleaned up, ready to fire it up. Let me know in the comments what's your thoughts about how much horsepower this car is gonna make it after the straight piping and with the cold air intake, and also what you think about the factory warranty. Is it still active or no? So yeah, let's fire it up and see how it's gonna go. Also to mention, we did some preventive maintenance with new spark plugs, oil change and decarbonization of the engine, because we want this thing to run good and for a long time. So yeah, let's fire it up and to see how this thing sounds. First cold start. Oh my God. Holy shit. This thing sounds nuts. Wow, and the flaps are not even open right now. We gotta go for a test drive for sure. That's it, guys. We are done with the car for today. Straight piped with down pipes, cold air intake installed, new spark plugs, and pretty much that's it. We'll left to do the tuning, the stage 2. We couldn't do it today because it's already late, and probably we'll do it hopefully tonight or tomorrow, and we'll see how the car is gonna run then. Right now sounds like much better. The pops, bangs, the acceleration a little bit is faster, but it's not finished yet. Thanks to my boy Mike at TOMA M7 for doing all this amazing job, for taking care about this car as a professional. Like I said, if you guys need any kind of repairs, tuning, performance upgrades, engine swaps, oil change, any kind of mechanical repair, hit him up. He's one of the best here in Chicagoland. And also, yeah, thanks to my boy Stas, who's behind the camera, for making this video amazing. I know he's really good at it. Also, if you guys need a filmmaker, don't hesitate to contact him. I'll leave all the information in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Smash the subscribe button, give me a like, write me a comment what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!